Hey everyone, this is Steve from MetaSlider, which is the best way to add a slideshow to your WordPress site. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to add text track captions to your videos. This is a feature in the Pro version of the plugin, and it requires a little explanation. There are two kinds of captions you can add to your videos. The first one on the top here are regular captions. You can see that each video has a single line of text underneath, and it doesn't change. So each video is playing for about 5 seconds, and it says, this is the caption for the first video, for the whole length of the video. The next video plays, and it says, this is the caption for the second video, again for the whole length of the video. Those are regular captions, and they're supported in MetaSlider Pro. However, there's a slightly different kind of caption called VTT, or Video Text Track Captions, and this is more similar to something like Netflix or YouTube or traditional captions you might see on a movie. You can have an actual caption that moves and changes with time inside a single video. If I press play on this video down here, you'll be able to see what I mean. Here's the first caption, the web is always changing. And now it changes to say, and the way we access it is changing. Now there's a third caption, more people are using WordPress. And there should be a fourth one coming along now. There it is. It's easy to use and so reliable. You can have as many of these as you want. And this is suitable for longer videos. You might need these subtitles for people who are hard of hearing, or maybe people whose second language is English. There are all sorts of reasons why you might want these captions under your videos. These are done using a format called Web VTT. And this is a handy image showing how it works from a company called 3Play Media. The files are really quite simple. At the top, the introduction to the file says WEB VTT. Then there are the timestamps and the captions. For the video you just saw a few seconds ago, this is the file I'm using. It says Web VTT at the top. Then you see the timestamps. This is from a split second after the video starts to second 4. And there's the caption. So these are the files that drive those captions. I'm going to show you now how you can use those to add captions to your MetaSlider videos. Let's go to the quick start screen in MetaSlider, and you can choose between two options. Either the local video slideshow, which means the video files are stored on your WordPress media library, or the external video slideshow, which means they may be hosted somewhere else. Could be on an Amazon server, could be on a DigitalOcean server, maybe Dropbox, but you control the videos. And the same is true with the local videos. This feature does require you to have control and ownership over the videos. I'm going to choose the local video slideshow option. I'll click create a slideshow, and then I'll wait a couple of seconds while I download some videos into my WordPress media library. Look for the text track tab on each slide. This will allow you to add a text track specifically for that video. It should be located in your WordPress media library. I'm going to hit on Browse, and I've uploaded a couple of sample VTT files here. I'm going to choose this one, click the button, and this particular video is going to be using this VTT text track now. There's a documentation link here that will help you with the specific details. There's going to be a language label and language code required as well. These labels will be useful on the front of the site. If people want to enable the captions or disable them, they can click on this English option here. It's also possible, and this is getting a little into the weeds of how VTT works, to have different kinds of captions. You can divide your videos into chapters, you can add descriptions, or you can add subtitles. And the documentation will dive into those in more details. Let's see how this works. I'll click on Save. Then I'll go to make a new post. I'll call this VTT slideshow. And I'll use the Gutenberg block for MetaSlider to choose my new slideshow. And we should get a preview that works with the captions. There we go. We can see multiple captions for this first video here. I'll publish the video. And there we go. The first one and the second one. So this is just one of the very many cool features that are available in the MetaSlider plugin. It's really easy to use, but if you do have more advanced requirements, such as adding text captions or changing text captions to your videos, MetaSlider can handle that too. If you haven't tried it yet, head over to wordpress.org and grab your free copy of MetaSlider today.